हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोडक्ट्स रिव्यू। तो आज हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं दो कंपनीज़ की डोर बेल्स। एक है गोल्ड मेडल कंपनी की एक मंत्रा बेल, कुछ इस टाइप की पैकिंग में आती है। और सेकंड वन भी है विद B5 इलेक्ट्रिक डोर बेल जो कि इस पैकिंग में आती है। लेट्स रिव्यू वन बाय वन दिस डोर बेल्स एंड सी विच वन इज़ द बेटर वन and which one is a good one to buy and money worthy as well. So gold medal की एक मंत्रा बेल इस टाइप की पैकिंग में आती है। This one is the packaging we have. So and this one is the specifications they have given over here. This is a Gayatri mantra bell and gold like manufactured by gold medal. So इस टाइप के आपको गायत्री मंत्रा मिल जाएगी। इसमें आपको श्री गणेश मंत्रा मिल जाएगा, गुरु जी लाइक गुरु नानक मंत्रा मिल जाएगा, तिरुपति बालाजी मंत्रा मिल जाएगा आपको इसकी गोल्ड मेडल की कर्व डिज़ाइन कर्व प्लस मॉडल की डोर बेल में। तो कुछ इस तरह की पैकिंग रहती है। लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस गोल्ड मेडल एक मंत्रा बेल। तो कुछ इस तरह की बेल रहती है गोल्ड मेडल की। इस तरह की गोल्ड मेडल लाइक डिज़ाइन रहता है। इसमें एक LED का इंडिकेटर भी दे रखा है इसमें। एंड नाइस स्पीकर आउटलेट दे हैव गिवन ओवर here is a speaker outlet they have given and it runs on battery as well as on electrical power supply. So this is the packaging and let me show you how this sounds like. Let me plug the two cells over here. So this works like this one. So in this way, this is the sound. It's a Gayatri mantra. So this is the way it sounds like. And if you want repeated sound, you have to just short this wires. So you have to just short this wire if you are like playing on the battery for testing purpose only. So you have to do this in this way. You have to short this one and it will works. Now let's unbox B5 the advanced technology musical doorbell. कुछ इस तरह की ये पैकेजिंग में आती है। काफ़ी सिंपल पैकेजिंग दे रखी है B5 कंपनी द्वारा। MRP की बात करें लाइक 250 में आती है, तो आपको ये 20% डिस्काउंट में 200 में आपको मिल जाएगी। और ये आपको गोल्ड मेडल की मिलेगी आपको 400 की रेंज में। गोल्ड मेडल की एक मंत्रा बेल आपको 400 की रेंज में मिलेगी। 650 to 670 MRP में रहती है। लेट्स अनबॉक्स B5 इलेक्ट्रिक डोर बेल एज वेल। सो कुछ इस तरह की रहती है B5 इलेक्ट्रिक की। काफ़ी सिंपल सा मॉडल है, ये इस टाइप का। एंड let me plug two cells in this one as well and show you how it's so which modes they are in this doorbells are there. So let me plug two cells in this one as well. So काफ़ी सिंपल सा मॉडल है डोर बेल का गोल्ड मेडल लाइक B5 इलेक्ट्रिक द्वारा। So let me now show. I think these are not not plugged in. So this is the mode we have in B5 electric. They have given this sound. I think they have given 5-6 modes into in this one doorbell only. So it's a great choice to buy this one B5 doorbell, B5 mantra doorbell music doorbell. I will show you how many modes are there. Let me plug one by one. Let me play these modes one by one to you, so that I can show you how many modes are there in this doorbell. One, it's come 2 modes. So 2 modes. Let me short this one again. 3 modes. 3 modes they have. 3 mode already done. Now 4 modes already there in this one. 5 bells, 5 modes it has happened. It has given, they have given in the bell. 5, let me count more. 6 modes. 6, 7, 8. So I think they have given 7 modes in their doorbell. So I think it's a nice product to buy within the range of 200 rupees. So nice one to buy. Let me show you again the gold medal, how many they have given the modes in their doorbell. Let me show you this one. Let me show you. 1, so gold medal has given only one mode in their while B5 has given like 7 like playing modes in this one. So it comes in the range of B5 electric comes in the range of 200, while its gold medal comes in the range of 250. So I think like B5 is a better one to buy because they are giving like 7 modes as well to play different sounds, different mantras in their doorbell, while gold medal has given only one mantra, like ek mantra sound in their doorbell. So I think in this like review I will say like B5 is the better one to buy this product in the range of 200 rupees. They have given a nice 7 modes they have given in their doorbell, while gold medal has given only one mode in the doorbell. So I will prefer like to buy B5 electric gold medal like B5 electric bell for if you want more modes in your home bells like in your home. And if you want like luxury one, so you can buy this one gold medal one. So guys, so you can comment and like share how you like the review of these 2 gold bells and which one like you will prefer to buy. So keep liking our channel and share our channel and comment and so you can tell us which doorbell you have liked the most. So bye for this session. Bye, have a nice day and Jai Hind, bye.